Tidak nak sampai datang lah. Belum beri tanah.
Sing tahu panda sing nani bagai yang koinai sini Tripura Tribal Folk Music College ni serenai zidro bong ni resam ni bising ti sing panda na sing saya renai tahu kang bong no zora renai bong ni resam resabui nak nani bagai kamu ni yakulo ang sini di sini borong gerang Chief Executive Officer mesang volunteer permanen zora yang hari renai hambai.
Teruskan hasil yang ini.
Halo.
Halo, halo. Halo.
Hasilnya. Sengudang. Semua sama nih. Ramai jaringan. Terus kang goyang.
Boleh, boleh. Cik, halo.
Terus kang goyang. Tobla. Dah selesai. Kita telur isi telur.
Jadi, kita bilang anggur kamera kita nanti baju ni kan. Orang sistem orang orang dah ini orang sistem orang yang komunikasi. Bukan kesalahan.
रोजाबाय थानाय दङ बेलाय खोना हामबाय जोंनि फक मिउजिक कलेजनि सोलोंनाय दै सोलोंनाय जिग दङ ताबक फायदि जों समाय तांमानि बखाक थांनाय आं आबनि बागै जरा रोनाय जोंनि TTADC नि न बरम गोनां चिफ एक्जिकिउटिभ अफिसार मोजां बलिन्देर बर्मा न अजरा याफ्रेरि जागो ताबक सार न अजरा याफ्रेरि
Kung kahamo TTADC administration ni pokho theke ang jotono hambai jotono khulungkha. On this historic day, we are now conducting oath-taking ceremony for chief executive member and other executive members. As per Constitution of India, 166 Schedule 1 Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council Constitution, Election and Conduct of Business Rules 1985, His Excellency the Governor of Tripura has appointed G.K. Rao, Administrator of TTADC, to administer oath or affirmation to the newly elected member of District Council. So, I will call upon first CM will take oath. As CM has been already elected in the first meeting and it is known by everybody who is CM. So we have brought here and he is sitting on the stage. Others member whom CM has selected, I will call upon their name one by one. Now first, Suhel de Borma has been selected as executive member. So I request Suhel de Borma to come over and take out. Oh, sorry. First, I call upon Purnochandra Jamatia, who has been elected already as Chief Executive Member, to come here and take out.
Ang Musang Purnachandra Jamatia Matai ni Mangai Samai Tangai Sajawo Khak Rakhe Poito Naragai Samai Tangai Sajawo Ang Barat Alambak ni Bisingte Khaja Kerongno Poito Kubuite Kharok Bomgai Sajawo Ang Barat ni Phan Keplai Te Kathalai Mangno Khapang Khulasa Khulai Khulai Horui Tongnai Anambok Jak Achok Khang Tipra Samolok Bai Thang Nai Koljak Khang Kor Kokjap Nogni Sarifang Adong Okra Ni Samangno Bebak Ni Pagai Keboni Bekha Koyawi Eba Kirima Kuri Khulai Eba Baksano Sajakma Te Baksano Sajagya Khlayawui Eba Kebono Khorok Sabai Gedalui Eba Khujagui Samangno Tanglak Hangkor Koksa Nogni Jarifang Adong Okra Angui Kerong Me Bisingti Ano Samang Yapar Jagmani Eba Ang Saiman Make As Hamangno Tangpro Kebo Bai Dadak Sidak Eba Kok rekewi sajak blak.
Thank you. CM or Nabaja, Tabo, Ankoyo, Suhel de Bormano, or of Hainabagay, among or Nanabagay. Mr. Suhel de Borma.
Ang Macha Suhel de Borma Kaitorni Mungui Semai Tangi Shazao Khak Rakhe Poitunargui Semai Tangi Shazao Ang Barat Elembag ni Bisingtei Khazak Kerano Poitu Kubuite Khorok Bumi Shazao Ang Barat ni Fan Keplai Te Kethalai Mungno Khapang khulasa khlai horei tongnai ano bogjak achukrem Tripura Tiprasa baithang naikoljak hangkor koksap nogni charifang adong okra charifang adong ni samungno bebang ni bagui keboni bukha goyawi eba kirima kri khlai eba baksano sajak mate baksano chaje khlaiawi eba kebono Khoroksa by Gudalei, Eva Hujagui, Shamuno Tangla, Hankor Kokchap Nogni Charifang, Adong Okra Eva, Charifang Adong Ngui, Kerongni Bishti, Anos Hamu Yafarzagmani, Eva Ang Saimanki As Hamuno, Tangpur Kebo by Dadak Shida Eva Kok Reko Shagla, Hamai.
Tabo executive member Nkha Doli Riang Angkono Koyo Oropai Sopot Nana Bagi. After support, you will come. Abuk support nanai Doli Riang.
I, Srimati
Doliria, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India, as by law established, that I will hold up the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as Chief Executive Member for the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will, that I will not, directly or indirectly, communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as Chief Executive Member for the aforesaid District Council, except as may be required for the discharge of my duties as such Chief Executive Member. Thank you. Executive Member, yes.
Soy Louis or Peggy, like I said, register or Soy Kaina. Now I request Rajesh Tripura, go executive member in Bagai, CM by nominated Kaijaka. You go to part. You can. Rajesh Tripura, please come. Film letter, just a little side. Only but हम लोग क्या करते हैं?
Ang Muchang,
Rajesh Tripura, Kaitone Mungoi, Smaitango Sazao, Kakarake Poito Nargoi, Smaitango Sazao, Ang Barat, Elem Bagni Bisingtoi, Kazak Kerong, No Poito Kuboi Te, Korok Bomoi Sazao, Ang Baratni, Pangkor Play, Te Katalai Mungno, Kapang Kulasa Klayoy, Horoi Tongnai, Ano Bogzak Asogrem Tripura Tiprasa Mulok Baithang Naikolzak Hangkor Kokzap Nokni Sarifang Adongni Samungno Bebakni Bagoi Kebuni Bukha Koyaoi Eba Kilma Koroi Klai Eba Baksano Chazakma Te Baksano Chazaya Klayaoi Eba Kebono Korok Sabai Gudalai Eba Ujagoi Samungno Tangla Hangkor Kokzap Nokni Eba Sarifong Adong Ongoi Kerongni Bisingtoi Ano Samung Yafarzak Mani Eba Ang Saiman Ke A Samungno Tangfuru Kebobai Dadak Sizak Eba Kok Rekoi Sakla
Elangke hambai, korok cini, finance halni, cini neta role model, korok 13 লক্ষ tibrasano salong nai. Apuni pore, Bobo Ranjan Riang, Bobo nominated engka by CM. Executive member হিসেবে কোন আঙ্কয়ও ওর ফাইনা বাদে ভবরঞ্জন রিয়া Chairman Sijak Tunggo oblique EM ba EM in Sarita. Bisa tampak.
Ang Muchang,
Ang mucang Bogoranjan Riang kaitoni mongui sumai tangui sajao kakurakhe poito narugoi sumai tangui sajao ang Bharat Ilembagni bisingtui khakjak kerong no poito kubui tei khorok bomui sajao ang Bharatni Phan Puklai tei Uthalai mung no Khafang Khulasa Klaiui Horui Tungnai Angno Bagjak Achukrem Tipra Sungduk Mulok Baithang Naipoljak Hangthor Kokchap Nokni Charifang Adongni Samung Bebagni Bagui Keboni Bukha Koyawi Iba Kirima Kurui Klaiwi Iba Baksano Chajagma Tei Baksano Chajagya Klayawi Iba Kebono Khorok Sabai Budalui Iba Hoijagui Samungno Tanglak Hangkor Kokchap Nokni Charifang Adung Ongwei Kerongni Bisingtui Ang Samung Yafarjak Mani Iba Ang Saiman Ke Os Samung No Tangfruk Kebo Bai Dadak Sidak Iba Kok Rikui Songlap Hambai
Hambai Nonobo Abuni pore Koijao Onimesh Deborma Oro Phaye Executive Member ni Shopot Nana Bagai Please Ulamat tolong Beza Just
Ang Bachan Onimesh Deborma Kaitorni Mungui Samaitangi Sajao Khak Rakhe Puitonaragei Samaitangi Sajao Ang Bharat Elembagni Bisingtei Khajak Kerongno Puitu Kubuitei Khorok Bomui Sajao Ang Bharatni Phan Kaplai Tei Kathalai Mungno Khapang Khulasa Klai Horui Tongnai Ano Bokjak Achukrem Tripura Tiprasa Muluk Baithang Naikoljak Hangkor Kokchap Nokni Charifang Adungni Samungno Bebagni Bagi Kebuni Bekha Koyawi Eba Kirima Kurui Klai Eba Baksano Chajagma Tei Baksano Chajagya Klai Eba Kebono Khorok Sabai Godalui Eba Huijagui Samungno Tanglak Hangkor Kokchap Nokni Charifang Adong Ungui Kerongni Bisingtei Ano Samung Yafarjagmani Eba Ang Saimanke A Samungno Tangpuruk Kebo Bai Dadak Sidak Eba Kok Rekeui Saglak Hambai
Aboni pore Chittorranjan Debbarma bo executive member hisabe oro phai shopor na paidin ang bono koyu.
Ang
Muchang Chittorranjan Debbarma Kaitoni Bungoi Sumai Tangoi Sajao Kha Krakhe Poito Nargoi Sumai Tangoi Sajao Ang Bharat Alembagni Bishingtui Khaja Kerang Poito Kugui Tei Khorok Bomoi Sajao Ang Bharatni Phan Kuklai Tei Kathang Laimung no Khapang Kulasa Klayoi Horoi Tongnai Ano Bokjak Achukrem Tripura Songduk Mono Baithang Naikoljak Hangkor Kokjap Nokni Charipang Adongni Samung no Bebak ni bagoi keboni bakha koyawoi eba kirima kuri khlai eba baksano chajakma tai baksano chajakya khlaiyawoi eba kebono khoroksabai gedaloi eba huijagoi samungno tanglak hangkor kokjap nokni Charipang Adong Ungai Kerong ni Bishingti Ang Samung Yapar Jakmani Eba Ang Saimanke A Samung no Tangkru Kebowai Dadak Sidak Eba Kok Rekawai Saglak
Now I request in today's list, he is the last person, last executive member, Kamal Koloi. I request Kamal Koloi to come over here and take off.
Ang
Muchang Kamal Koloi Kaitoni Mungui Sumai Tangoi Sajao Kha Krakhe Poito Nargoi Sumai Tangoi Sajao Ang Bharat Alembagni Bishingtui Khaja Kerong no Poito Kuboitei Khorok Bomoi Sajao Ang Bharatni Phan Kuklai Tei Kathalai Mungno Khapang Kulasa Khlai Horoi Tongnai Ano Bokjak Achogrem Tripura Samulok Baithang Naikoljak Hangkor Kokjap Nokni Charipang Adongni Samungno Bebakni Bagai Keboni Bakha गयावै एबा किरिमा करै खलाय एबा बाक्सानो चाजाक माते बाक्सानो चाजागिया खलायावै एबा केबुनो खरक साबाय गदालै एबा हुइजागै सामुनो तांलाक हांकर ककजाब नकनि चारिफां आदं अंगै केरंनि बिसिंतै आनो सामुं याफारजाकमानि एबा आं साइमान के आ सामुंनो तांफ्रो केबोबाय दादाक सिदाक एबा कक रेकेवै सागलाक जतनन हामबाय
We are almost concluding today's oath-taking ceremony of Chief Executive Member and Executive Members. Now little more is left behind. Borno Kumara Kumriwoy Boron Kainadi. Then this ceremonial function is concluded. And I request all the guests, leaders, peoples, dignitary personalities, whoever attended this occasion to remain seated. And I request as a ceremonial constitutional occasion function is over, I do request Bubagra, Member Kumar Jamatia, Tribal Affairs Minister, and other dignitary to come over the stage and take seat. Now no bhar, because it was for executive member and CM only. Now that constitutional event is over, so please, Bubagra, members and other dignitaries. Okay then, okay. Borno, Disha, Mumbai, Bolkai, Ride, Nade, Aburi Pore, volunteers, Tomra, Ankoyo, Borno, Kisha, Tipini, Babosta, Kaimani, Abo, Bagay Dinabagi. Oro Bagay Dimani Pore, electronic media, press, Finite Robozate, Batlayate, Ankai Chini, Onek Borok, Zagari, Malia, we could not accommodate in Y because it has the maximum capacity of 400. Others, very willing people, persons, they have come. We have allowed them to sit under the pandal. So volunteers, Tai Kaisa group Norok, O Pandalo, Asuk Tomai Ronobo, Mr. Speaker Bagdi, are Orobo Bagdi Tamu. PO ARDD, MPO Fishery, Norong team. Okay, Hambai Jotono.
Nabo official photograph nai tongo narok je musunai abo pai thangkai nong leader bai nai manai those who want to take photograph with your leaders you are allowed after this hambai this is a memorial day so everyone would like to take photograph I think tao phai narok nai manai je musunai tao yang sago phai nong leader bai group photo anything you like open to all. Thank you. Je photo na namo sunai rao no yang sakap phai nai mano bong ni loge tai jora mangla pal phai dakti phai na ro borok bai buja ka bujai mane yapti khai nong ni WhatsApp ro gori manai
nanya ini kemana sih nangkran presiden an bagi apa kan ojek error ya tadi kita an harap sedikit
tai jora krika sing je bujang ka borong no sing bongni officer tlang thana nango sing sar songno an bagai norok je photo bujang nai rok norok thangai makha tabo sini em cm rok no sing officer tlang thanai joto bio principal officers rok no koijawo nongni jani jar em rok no norok officer tlang thana bagai Now all the principal officers are requested to take your respective honorable EM in your department and executive mechanical nong no koijawo gari elok thainani bagai borok thangnani bagai jabo mechanical department ba mechanical executive engineer nono koijawo gari ready thainani bagai sini EM CM rongni bagai hambai